So we know that this is the number digit 1, and you can see that this 1 symbol is situated inside two circles. That is, in this video we discuss how to create or type this double circle digit 1 in your computer. For doing this, first you must open your Microsoft Word, and after that you can go to your keyboard and first turn on the number lock. And the next step is you must go to the left side of your keyboard, and this you must press the alt key. You did not remove your finger from the alt key, and at the same time you must type here 9461. Now you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that a symbol like this, that is double circle digit 1 arrived. For more videos, subscribe and install online. Thank you.